How to remove the Grab payment method. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove the Grab payment method. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Then tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, select Payment Methods from the menu. Here, you will see all the payment methods linked to your account. Tap on the payment method you want to remove and then look for the option to delete or remove it. Confirm your action and the payment method will be successfully removed from your Grab account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.